In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect custom domain to Google Sites. If you've already built your site in Google Sites and you want it to look more professional, connecting your own domain is a great next step. Instead of using the default Google Sites web address, you can start pointing visitors to a custom domain that matches your brand or business. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go inside Google Sites to begin that connection process. Start by opening your Google site. Make sure you're on the site you want to connect to your custom domain and that you're viewing it in edit mode so you can access the site settings. This is important because the domain connection option is managed from within the site editor, not just the published view. Once you're inside the site, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the settings icon. This is where Google Sites keeps several important configuration options for your website. If you don't see it right away, take a moment to scan the upper right area carefully because it's easy to overlook among the other controls. After the settings panel opens, click on Custom Domains. This section is specifically for linking a domain you already own to your Google site. If this is your first time setting this up, don't worry. Google walks you through the connection process step by step from here. Next, click on Connect Domain. This tells Google Sites that you want to begin attaching a custom web address to the current site. At this point, you're moving from the settings area into the actual domain setup flow. Now, enter your domain in the field provided. Be careful to type it correctly since even a small typo can cause issues later in the setup. It's also a good idea to make sure you're entering the exact domain you want visitors to use when they access your site. Once your domain has been entered, click Next. This moves you forward to the next stage of the setup process, where Google will continue guiding you through the domain connection. Depending on your domain provider, there may be additional configuration required after this, so be sure to follow any prompts that appear on screen. That's it for getting started with connecting a custom domain in Google Sites. These first steps are quick, but they're an important part of making your site easier to share and more polished overall.